Good morning, everyone. I would like to greet you in my podcast, World's Finest Podcast. I'm Keen, the CEO of World's Finest Records. I'm the co-founder, guys. I don't like to post, but I'm the co-founder of World's Finest Records. World's Finest Records is indie record label. Actually, we're coming up, guys. Life is pretty tough when we have to hustle, but our hustling, we have proven to our fans that we will make this shit, man. We'll make this shit happen no matter what. Sorry for the explicit content, but we'll make it happen, guys. World's Finest Records has released two Malumza's mixtape, released Pretty Girls single, the best song that I've ever had in my entire life, sang by someone that I know. That's the best song, guys. And one song that I like the most is by me, guys. So then you should stream that song in all digital platforms, on your Mac, Spotify, but mostly Spotify. That's where I send all my stuff, guys. World's Finest Records has four major artists. Skin, who also does productions. Malumza, who's a vocalist and a rapper. Pretty Girl, who's a vocalist, and Exotic Man. World's Finest Records recently recruited NCK The Majesty, who was first known as Lil King, but then he changed his name to NCK The Majesty. And then we did a feature with him, a collab with him. I was trying to test him. We did it on a free beats. Feeling. That song is very nice. You can stream it on YouTube. Feeling is written in World's Finest Records, FC King, and NCK Majesty. You can stream that song, guys, on all digital platforms. And we've been doing the most when it comes to